Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the market. This doesn't look like exhaustion. That would need a conservative. Yeah, in its counter trend. So, thing. Yeah, that would need a conservative entry, I think. Everything looks great on on hour, but regardless, it's a conservative. Yeah, that would need a conservative entry. Dr. Horton needs a level. Yeah. Let's see what's going on. I think bounces a little bit. Dow Jones is doing it. It doesn't look like an exhaustion. And it's not even a level yet. And wow. Have you seen this? You guys? Wow. Pfizer's, of course. Pfizer, Intel, Toyota Motor, APG is the longest trade of my year. SLB, don't recall SAB that much. Nice, thank you all you guys who subscribe to me. Who's managing QPR? No one. Okay, so over 200 ideas a year. I did 72 boosts. I did not know. Some 2 ideas I published. Okay, 70 ideas, so 70 trades. Oh, comments. Okay, so 200 comments on 70 trades that I've shared. Not so many. Me. I love Sri Lanka. Okay. Now let's make a wish. Okay. I want to double my brokerage account. Pardon my dirty, my broken English. Send the wish to Santa Claus. I can't believe TradingView goes like that, kiddish. And I can't believe it works on me. Here's to hoping QW brokerage faster than you built this holiday fudge. Make it trades. Okay, let's share it on Twitter. Interesting. I unsubscribed from Elon Musk and still, no, not Twitter, Facebook, but it still shows me Musk's posts. So if you're on Twitter, you have to follow Musk. Hold on, guys. I'm handling my New Year wishes. So yeah, I was saying, whether you want no, we want Misha Suvorov trading and investing. I haven't been posting there forever, but maybe it's a good time to start. Sorry guys, I'm just following around. The action attempted is disallowed because the user has opted out of Facebook platform. Weird. Anyhow, doesn't allow me to share on Facebook. So can we go back please to maybe normal IWM? It's interesting. It's actually level. Got over the transition extremum. Yeah, I think that like my sex is very obvious. Like Russian market is like way more obvious in charting than it's simpler than American market, I think. That would need a test. You know what I mean? You can call it a balance or it's a trend level anyway, so boom boom. It's good in continuation of the trend. It's good up to maybe 0.5. Maybe you shouldn't limit yourself. That's been the last level. That was the one. No, this level is legit. tradable and continuation of the trend. Let's see how it goes. Qs. Wow. That's a weird volume. That's a weird volume. Yeah, the problem is it's not just the biggest volume of this entire drop, but you see what I'm saying? It's absolutely the biggest volume, at least ever since here. Hey. Oh gosh, I know how to fix it. Yeah, thank you. So, you see what I'm saying? Doesn't look like a correction. It looks like it wants to drop further. Further. This guy. This is brutal. Maybe it was a Christmas dump. We'll call it that. Well, so you see how indicative this volume is. Let's see when it comes here for real. 249, 249, it is here for real. If it will. Alrosa looks weak, what can I say? And Intel, NVS, Fosagro. Slowly but surely, it's going higher. Plug, Posi, Roku, Spear. Look at this volumes flying around. Tegeka, interesting. Yes, test. That is another test if you want it. XLV. Oof. Yeah. Everything goes to hell. There is a splash of volume. That was actually biggest volume. Huh. It's at the volume right now. It's at the level, I mean. Change the direction. Counter trend. But also it's like understood that it's below its regular correction level. So that's where it's supposed to reverse. Because even though it's balanced, the incoming direction is still long. So yeah. And there is something satisfying when I see myself moving the market on evening session on the Russian market. This is like, ooh, this is cool. Cool. Gosh, I did this video yesterday on Standard American accent about dark L and soft L and all of this. This is... Who figured all that? All I'm saying is there's a room for me to grow in my understanding of we wanted a reversal here. Yeah, I see. A good job. It didn't work. Just because we needed to reverse. Interesting. This is down now. But yeah, I think it's too close to transitioning strong. So it doesn't make any sense. This all looks sexy, of course, but and there is this motion forward. There is a impulse. There is an impulse. All I'm saying. There is an impulse. This is more like how waves get born, begin. Wing. Turn, turn. So if it comes here, but maybe not. This is not how waves are born. So heavy. Market is heavy. And it's counter trend. Yeah, no. We need a close manipulation signal on this. We need a conservative trade on daily. Is what I'm saying. Yeah. I'll make it easier for myself. This is not bad. I don't think this volume. Yeah. I think it's from dark pool. last hour. Yeah. It's a ketchup. Also, the problem here is monthly contradicts annual. There is no context model, but incoming direction is short, and it made the test level now going down. Possibly resuming the movement in the original direction. $90.5. Yeah. Had to be careful about that. And this guy's unvolumed. But yesterday was strong, of course. And everybody knows. This guy tries to bounce. This guy tries to bounce. This is the volume. Where's the volume? Maybe I should change my strategy next year. Instead of like ultimately watching everything that I have on the table, just leaving the one or two best options on the table and just watching that. I feel like my head is spinning from too many stocks. You know what I mean? This volume still holds. Comcast. If you haven't been there for long, I remember there was a concern that it didn't reach the T1 here. No. So yeah, it's hard to tell what it's really doing. Also, monthly contradicts annual. Annual is in correction. So it doesn't make sense. Yeah, it doesn't make much sense what's going on here. This guy's just collapsing anyway, so. Continuation of the trend. Yeah, that's how market goes to the weekend, which makes sense. Everyone is taking profits from this year. And year was pretty sick. The only question is whether the next year bulls will resume, or why is it on the hourly watch? It's a daily watch. Yeah, that looked like it shouldn't be considered at all. With this kind of volume, please gotta go to the wave level. It's also last hour of the day. Let's see what it does here, but yeah, look at this. Unvolumed, and then there is a bigger volume, and the whole thing is counter trend. Yeah, unvolumed. I will have to be conservative, right? Am I right? Let's keep on watching this guy. How did this guy get into my list? Jay, brother, Jay. So remember you. It's also... No, it's alright. Yeah. I don't think it's any good for our purpose. Yeah. And it hasn't reached its potential yet. So the correction is, as we know, up to 0.5. So there's still room to go. And in this situation, we need a conservative trade. Even though this all looked great. Will we see more drop? I think this drop, like yesterday drops, have like more inertia because of just how violent it was. So yeah, nothing here. Too many stocks. Alert. Would you take it like this? That was powerful though. But like, come on. Why watch it if I won't be able to do anything with it anyway? Why bother? It's like nonsensical. Okay, it's our self-inquiry, so let's unvolumed spring. DMT stock. Look at the DMT, it looks like it built. That's also a possibility. All spread, new spread. You can chart it either way. Yeah, look at this. Just like that. Just like that. Doom. Easy. Oh, sorry. Too many stocks. Lately, NPC. Yeah. Hydra shoots up. What a volume. Pfizer just hangs out. Picked up this volume. TM, it's Toyota Motors. It's its own thing. Yeah, that would need a conservative trade. So I think it's okay to monitor so many stocks, but for the every current day, wow, it should. I should choose. That would need conservative. No more than like 10 stocks, tops even less. Or I just can't focus. This guy I sold. It says that I spent like, it was my 5th favorite stock, and the amount of time spent, which is interesting. I don't remember SLV at all. Think. Looks like is it a slowdown of the drop on Russian market, or is it a bottom? Bottom. I don't know how to pronounce it right. I don't know. Markets are definitely turbulent and people freak out. You can tell. And you know, like war economy is way more unpredictable. A lot of people wait for devaluation, further devaluation of the ruble, which is no news. Ever since modern Russia, ruble was going only one direction, down, against major currencies. Just how it is. That's why I personally do not buy out. No, what's the proper idiom? Don't buy in to Putin's talks about autonomous economy. Well, yeah, you want autonomous economy? Stop selling resources abroad. Make your currency stable, nice. Um, Currency, not necessarily reserve, like globally, but just locally. You don't have to start wars in order to become autonomous. Okay, this guy. You see, it's at the level. I'm not gonna short. It's also like continuation of the trend is tricky, but it's good. Look the distribution. So strengths. Strengths. It's a little bit too wide. But yeah, continuation of the trend. Well, it's already reached its potential. It can go lower. There is nothing that looks like an exhaustion. Wait, hold on, what happened here? Oh, that was a gap. Yeah, let's do it. Trade. Sell. 5%. Oops, premature entry. I'm not gonna share it with the world. So remember what happened last time? That was a paper trade. I can only paper trade for short. Q's. Yeah, this is. This is not bad actually. Oops. There was a volume, it was small, but compared to this. But if you look, yeah. T1 is weird, but it takes two, like, to form a T1, so this is also part of T1, actually. Counter trend, but reached its potential at 0.5. This volume is right here in February. Oh no. Where's this February? Hold on, I failed to understand. It's February of 23. Okay. '23. It's right here in the middle. Yeah. This volume distribution is pretty good. Boom, 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 and then yeah, rests. The only weird thing is T1. It's probably 0.5 trade. Yeah. And this is part of extreme. Let's see. On volume spring. Look at this guy. No, this doesn't look good. T-Mo needs levels. Comcast needs levels. Everything needs levels. Okay, gonna let you go.